Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the adhesive so removal is controlled and safe. Remove the cap, peel off any loose label pieces. Then, run warm water over the glass and soak the residue for 5 to 10 minutes. Warm water breaks the glue bond. Apply 1 to 2 drops of dish soap to the area and gently rub with your fingers to emulsify oils. Once done, use a soft cloth to test if the residue blisters. If it does, proceed to gentle scraping. Now you switch to dissolving and lifting the stubborn bits. Hold a plastic scraper or old credit card at a 30 to 45 degree angle and push gently to avoid scratches. If residue remains, apply rubbing alcohol, white vinegar, or a few drops of cooking oil. These break down adhesive polymers, which makes lifting easier. Work in short passes, scrape, reapply solvent, wipe, rather than aggressive single motions. Make sure to rotate the bottle so you can see where the residue thins. Finish by removing any solvent and residue so the glass looks clear. Wash the bottle with warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly, and dry with a lint-free cloth to avoid streaks. If a few sticky spots persist, repeat the alcohol or vinegar step or use a commercial adhesive remover. Apply briefly, then wash off. If nothing budges, gently heat the area with a hairdryer for 20 to 30 seconds to re-soften the glue, then scrape again. Make sure to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.